I wanted to show you looks like I'm muted. I wanted to show you how to solve or how to start on a circuit with switches that are not all changing state at t equals 0. In this case it is at t equals 0, but these are not. And these are other ways of implementing switches, which are current supplies or voltage supplies multiplied by a step function shifted in time. If it's at u of t, obviously at t equals 0, the power supply turns on. Before that, power supply is off. So here the question is just to draw these circuits in steady state, in several semi-steady states. And this happens around the times where the switches change state. So from, for example, from closed to open. But the first one here will be at 0. So this here switches at t equals 5 seconds. This switches at t equals 20, at t equals 100. This also switches at t equals 0. So there's two of them changing state at t equals 0. So the first circuit that we're going to draw is at t equals 0 minus. So just before the switch, the voltage here will be 5 volts. If you don't understand that, please ask a question in comments. And until t equals 100, this switch is closed. Until t equals 20, the switch is closed. And this one is open until 0 minus. So everything else will be the same, but because I'm drawing steady states, I'm not going to draw the inductors and I'm not going to draw the capacitors. And until t equals 5 seconds, this will be 15 milliamps. And then this capacitor is also going to be open. So this is the situation at t equals 0 minus. This is 10K, 20K. This is IL half. This is IL2, 5K, 1K. And then if I were measuring the voltage across the capacitor, it's going to be this voltage here. This here, I don't even know how to measure because this guy is in air. This is another voltage across capacitor. So that's it. This one is undefined. This one we could measure the voltage. So people who are doing extra work for this class, you should attempt to tell me the IL1, IL2, and VC2 maybe. This is C1, this is C2. Oops, the opposite. Then this is VC1, VC2. I'm telling you, it's not defined. Now, in the next video, I'll show you the t equals, let me see, 20 minus or 0 plus until 20 minus. So this is, let's take a look here. I'll stop.